everyone, welcome back to Sign With Me. Today we're going to learn about food. Food. Can you get your hands ready? Let's wiggle those fingers, stretch those fingers, shake, shake, shake. Okay, are your hands ready to sign? To say I'm hungry, we go like this. I'm hungry. I am hungry. I want to eat. I want to eat. Eat. I want a snack, please. I want a snack, please. Our manners are important. Remember to say please and thank you. Please and thank you. I want breakfast. Breakfast is eating in the morning. I want breakfast. I want lunch. Lunch is eating in the afternoon. I want lunch. I want dinner. Dinner is eating at night. I want dinner. Are you ready? Do as I'm doing, follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing, follow, follow me. I can do it high or low. I can do it fast or slow. Do as I'm doing, follow, follow me. 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 I can do it high or low. I can do it fast or slow. Do as I'm doing, follow, follow me. Do as I'm doing, follow, follow me. Great job, that was so silly. What kind of snacks do you like to eat? Which ones? Do you like to eat fruits or vegetables? Fruits or vegetables? Like an apple? Apple. Or banana. It's like peeling a banana. Banana. Or an orange. Do you remember the color orange? It's the same. Orange. Or grapes. It's like a bunch of grapes. Grapes. Or carrots. Carrots. Or maybe you like potato chips. Potato chips. The chip is like shaving a potato to make the chips. Potato chip. Another favorite snack could be crackers. You take your hand and you knock on your elbow. Crackers. Another snack is a fruit snack. Fruit snack. Fruit snacks are yummy. Or a yummy dessert is a cookie. Do you like cookies? Cookie. Another yummy snack is popcorn. Take your fingers and you're gonna pop them up. Popcorn. Let's sing another fun song. Are you ready? I looked out the window and what did I see? Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. Spring has brought me such a nice surprise. Blossoms popping right before my eyes. I can take an armful and make a treat. A popcorn ball that would smell so sweet. It wasn't really so, but it seemed to me. Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. What drinks do you like to have with your snacks? Water. We can drink water with our snack. Or we can drink milk. Milk. Or juice. Do you remember the sign for J? J, but you put it up to your mouth. J for juice. When we're done with our snack, we say, I'm all done. All done. I'm all done. Thank you. Thank you. Because we need to remember those manners, right? Please and thank you. Let's review some of the words we learned today and practice them in sentences. Are you ready? Can you shake your fingers out one more time? Wiggle those fingers. Okay, let's start with I am hungry. I am hungry. I want a snack, please. I want a snack. Snack, please. I want an apple and some water. I want an apple and some water. I want crackers. I want crackers, please. Please. I like cookies. I like. I like cookies. I want breakfast. I want breakfast, please. I am all done. I am all done. Thank you. Thank you for my snack. You guys did so great today learning new words. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.